To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area and ensure it is in park. Next, remove the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then, lift the cargo box up and out to remove from the vehicle. Before continuing, clean the area around the spark plugs before removing the plugs. Next, disconnect the connectors from the ignition coils. Then, remove the ignition coil fasteners. Continue by carefully lifting up to remove the ignition coils. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinders. Now, carefully loosen the spark plugs by rotating them counterclockwise to remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Then, inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Next, inspect the spark plugs for the correct color. The normal isolator tip is gray, tan, or light brown with a few combustion deposits with unburnt and uneroded electrodes. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating caused by an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. If it is black, this usually means excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a light coat of dielectric grease to the bottom of the ignition coils. Reinstall the ignition coils and ensure they are fully seated. Continue by installing the ignition coil fasteners and torque to specification. Before continuing, reconnect the ignition coil harness connectors and verify that the connections are properly secured. Next, reinstall the cargo box and torque the fasteners to specification. Finally, start the engine to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.